Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to search a log file in Windows using Perl. So first what I've done, I've created a subroutine here called search log. Let's just go in a little bit there. Let's have a look at the program. Let's make it a bit bigger. There we go. So the subroutine is search log. I've created a scalar variable here called log path and assigned it to c://windows logs cbs.log. So that's on my Windows computer. So that's the log file that we're going to be searching. And I've used the print command here to tell the user to enter a word, because we're going to search for a keyword in the log files. And then what we're going to do, if we find that keyword, we're going to print out all instances of it. Not only the keyword, but the line that it comes in as well. So next we do chomp and create a scalar variable called word and assign it to standard input. So the user will then type in their word there, their keyword they're searching for, and that will take it in as input. Then what we're going to do is we're going to open these log files to read them. So we use a file handler here, and then we use this character here. So this is in read mode. If you do it the other way, that's in write mode, and that there is in append mode. So we need it in read mode here. Let me just save that. So we're going to read this log path here, or die and create a generic error message if something goes wrong. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a scalar variable called line here and assign it to the file handler and use the while. So we're going to loop through all the lines looking for our word, and then we're going to use the conditional if statement here. If the line, and this here means matches the word that we've typed in here, the keyword, if it matches that, then we're going to print the word and interpolate the word into this string here by using the scalar variable. So if the word that we typed in up there is found in this line, I'm going to interpolate line into there as well. So word found in this line, and we're going to print out the whole line and a new line here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to close the file there. And to run the program, all we have to do is call it using search log. So let's just do that now. Let's make it a little bit bigger like that. So I'm going to just type in error here. So we should be able to find that keyword in the logs. There we go. Let me just zoom out a little bit here. Okay, so we found a few instances of error in here. Okay, so there we go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing. It will help me out an awful lot, and drop me a comment, and you can give me a big thumbs up as well. So I'll see you in another video. Bye.